The intelligibility of the universe points to intelligent design by God. 2. In a previous video, we provided the rationale for the two premises in the argument below. P1. The universe is scientifically intelligible. P2. Scientific intelligibility stems from rational minds. C. The universe stems from a rational mind, i.e., God. The inference to a divine mind. The conclusion of the syllogism follows logically from the two premises. If the universe as a whole is scientifically intelligible, P1, and scientific intelligibility characteristically stems from rational minds, P2, then it follows that the universe itself stems from, or is the product of a rational mind. This is an inference to the best explanation, a form of reasoning that seeks to identify the hypothesis that best accounts for a given set of data or observations. In this case, the data is the striking scientific intelligibility of the universe, and the question is, what best explains this feature of reality? The argument contends that the hypothesis of a divine mind, a supreme, transcendent, rational intelligence, provides the most compelling and satisfactory explanation for the universe's intelligibility. Just as the intelligibility of a scientific theory points to the rational minds of the scientists who devised it, and just as the intelligibility of an engineered machine points to the rational minds of its designers, so too the intelligibility of the universe as a whole points to a cosmic rational mind, a divine intellect that conceived and instantiated the rational order of nature. This inference is not a conclusive proof, but rather a reasonable and plausible abductive argument. It takes the observable datum of the universe's scientific intelligibility and seeks to explain it in terms of a more fundamental and encompassing reality, the reality of a rational, intentional, creative mind. The inference to a divine mind as the source of the universe's intelligibility is a natural extension of our ordinary explanatory practices. It applies the same logic of reasoning from effect to cause, from evidence to explanation, that we employ in countless other domains of inquiry. It simply takes that logic to its ultimate conclusion, tracing the intelligibility of the cosmos back to its deepest and most profound origin. Why a singular mind? The argument for a singular divine mind as the source of the universe's intelligibility can be summarized as follows. Positing multiple minds behind the universe's rational structure would lead to an explanatory regress, raising questions about the origin and coordination of those minds. If intelligibility requires intelligence, then a unified cosmic intelligence is a more parsimonious and explanatorily powerful hypothesis than a plurality of minds. Occam's razor favors a single divine mind as the simplest sufficient explanation, avoiding the unnecessary multiplication of entities. Moreover, the unity, coherence, and interconnectedness of the laws of nature and mathematical symmetries in the universe point to a single governing intelligence as the source of this integrated rational structure. The argument from intelligibility contends that the hypothesis of a divine mind offers distinct advantages over any alternatives. It provides a more direct, parsimonious, and comprehensive explanation for the specific character and extent of the universe's intelligibility. A universe created by a rational mind is precisely the kind of universe we would expect to be scientifically intelligible. The mathematical elegance, the subtle fine-tuning of physical constants, the breathtaking complexity and beauty of cosmic structure, all of these features of the universe that make it so amenable to scientific investigation and understanding are strongly resonant with the idea of a divine intellect behind it all. Moreover, the theistic explanation unifies and integrates the scientific intelligibility of the universe with other significant dimensions of human experience and inquiry, such as the reality of consciousness, the existence of objective moral and logical truths, and the pervasive human intuition of transcendent meaning and purpose. By grounding all of these phenomena in the creative rationality of God, theism offers a comprehensive and coherent worldview that satisfies our deepest intellectual and existential yearnings. Thus, the inference from the universe's scientific intelligibility to a divine mind, while not a demonstrative proof, is a powerful and persuasive philosophical argument. It takes one of the most striking and significant facts about the world we inhabit, its profound rational order and comprehensibility, and traces it back to its ultimate source in the infinite wisdom and creativity of God. Thanks to J.D. Longmire and Claude. Edits, for clarity or brevity, are mine. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment if you agree or would like to add your thoughts.